Photo Match is a feature on certain Aura frame models that automatically displays two related portrait photos side by side on your landscape screen. This feature is available on three specific Aura frame models: Carver, Buddy, and Gallery. It's enabled by default to maximize the display area. To disable Photo Match, start by opening the Aura app on your mobile device and selecting your frame from the main screen. Next, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this settings icon to access the frame configuration options. In the settings menu, locate the Photo Match option and toggle it to the off position. This will disable the side-by-side photo display feature. After disabling Photo Match, it may take a few moments for the change to take effect. You can force close the app to speed up the process. Once disabled, portrait photos will display centered on the screen, potentially with black bars on the sides. Aura frames come packed with advanced features designed to enhance your photo viewing experience. These frames include high brightness, color-calibrated LCD screens that automatically adjust brightness based on ambient lighting conditions. The Aura app serves as your central control hub for managing your digital frame. Through this app, you can add photos and videos, scan printed photos directly into your frame, and schedule automatic on and off times. One of the standout features is free unlimited cloud storage for all your photos and videos. The app automatically positions photos for optimal display, prioritizing faces in the composition, though you can manually adjust positioning when needed. You can enhance your photos by adding text captions that include dates, locations, and personal notes. This feature helps preserve memories and provides context for viewers. To remove photos from your frame, use the touch bar located on top of the device. Simply hold your finger on the touch bar, select the Remove icon, and confirm your choice to delete the photo from your frame.